Just a quick message from your mum and me. I'd like to say Happy Christmas to you and Ryan. Also have a lovely New Year. Excellent. Yeah, it is. Don't know if you remember me wearing this hat, but there you go. Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year! Ho ho ho!